Have you ever wondered why some people get those really tight knots in those muscles next to their neck? Hi, I'm Alaina from Marino Physiotherapy with the answers that you need. So to begin with, when we look at those muscles, right here, this muscle is called the upper trap. And what happens is if I'm standing with my head forward, it puts a lot of strain on that upper trap. If I'm putting my arms in front of me, it puts a lot of strain on that upper trap. And what you'll notice is if my head's forward, my shoulders forward, you can almost see that little dent right in there. That's where that muscle is coming all the way up and attaching into the neck. And what happens is if my head is forward and my shoulders forward, when I reach to do things, all of the weight of my arm is now going to go through that muscle, pull down on my neck. Those muscles did not wake up today and say, let's be mean and create some pain. What they're doing is holding on for dear life. So if I'm upright and my shoulders are down and back, then I can move that same arm and you notice there's no problems. If I'm slouched forward and I move that arm, you can see how tight that gets in there. So small things, think about that breastbone rising up towards under your chin. That will allow your head to rest above the body so that it's not continuing to pull on your neck and those shoulder muscles, and you'll feel those muscles start to relax. I hope you found this information useful. For more great tips and tricks, visit marinophysio.com and have a great day.